Hi, I'm Isaac Litsky, and I'm the CEO of Rigor. I've been in the home building industry for about a dozen years now, and I've long been frustrated by how much inefficiency and waste there is. Inefficiency and waste that makes home building less profitable for all the constituents of the industry, the lenders, the home builders, the general contractors, the subcontractors. And ultimately, homes themselves are less affordable. This is particularly important now when we're in what is a so-called affordability crisis. There's never been a bigger demand for homes, and the gap between the demand and the supply has never been greater. And again, it's because of a so-called affordability crisis. So at Rigor, we set out to try to make homes more affordable by tackling the problem at its root, by reducing all the inefficiencies and waste in the home building industry. What kind of inefficiency and waste am I talking about? Well, first, in terms of financing, the small to mid-sized private home builder today needs to rely on a fragmented market of regional hard money lenders in order to finance their construction homes. They need to go through arduous, lengthy, burdensome underwriting processes in order to secure loans. And those loans are generally very expensive. The capital is very expensive, with origination fees, inspection fees, all sorts of other closing costs, and pretty high interest rates. That's because the residential construction process is deemed a pretty risky investment class. And it's deemed risky because there's so little coordination in the field. You've heard the expression, the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. Well, in construction, there's 37 different hands and none of them know what's going on. So subs and vendors basically have to fend for themselves to try to figure out what state the construction site is in, when they should show up, and it leads for a lot of wasted time, wasted trips, wasted money. When it comes to paying these folks, there's this long, arduous process where a home builder needs to collaborate with the GC and the subs and vendors every time they submit a pay package to their lender. And that process takes weeks. The lender then hands a check to the home builder, and like a bucket brigade, that money is supposed to flow back down the line from home builder to GC to subs and vendors, and you hope that everyone gets paid what they're supposed to get paid. And they certainly don't get paid when they should get paid, right? The subcontractors and vendors will wait weeks, even months sometimes, to get paid. So there's a massive working capital burden imposed upon the entire supply chain. It's no wonder then that homes are so unaffordable. Rigor solves all that. Rigor is a single platform. It's a Web3 application. It's built on the Ethereum network. It's decentralized financial infrastructure for homes. The Rigor platform enables lending communities to form where home builders and lenders can come together and negotiate terms for financing, confident that the entire project will be facilitated on the Rigor platform, meaning every dollar spent will be spent through the Rigor platform. There's complete transparency into who the general contractor is, who the subs and vendors are, what each task is, what it should cost, when it's done, when it's approved, when there are municipal inspections. And the money only flows when it should, critically flowing directly to the right person. So as a lender, you not only do you get this unprecedented transparency into the job, but you know that your dollars are going to flow directly to those who have completed work on the job when they've completed the work. As a home builder, same story. You know that your general contractor has a single place where there's a single source of truth on exactly how to coordinate the entire supply chain. Everybody knows exactly what's going on the job. The general contractor and the subs and vendors can communicate directly on the platform, exchange plans, permits, pictures, all to ensure that the homes are built as efficiently as possible, as quickly as possible, to make it more profitable for us to build more homes. With Rigor, we build homes together and everybody wins.